friends to knowledge account. No, it is not knowledge account. Now name is changed. So friends, once again, hello and welcome to Crazy for Science. Yes. So today I'm alone. I'm not with my brother. So today I'm going to discuss something about Independence Day of India. This year, as we all know, that Corona pandemic has attacked to our country. Not only our country, the whole world was suffering from coronavirus this year and the previous year, 2020 and 2021. And we don't know that how much long it will go. So friends, today I brought a special video for you all. That is 15th August 2021. So friends, let us talk something about 15th August. So Independence Day is one of the most important days in the year for our country. Yes friends, Independence Day, it is the most important day. Means it is the one of the most important days in our country which we celebrate every year. Okay, so each year on August 15 we celebrate that day we became an independent nation. Friends, try to understand that each year we celebrate this day because we got independence from the British rule. So friends, now as we all know that for hundreds of years India was ruled by the United Kingdom, that is the British rule, and our country was a part of the British Empire. Yes, India was ruled by the British Empire and it was a part of British Empire. The British has taken over a lot of world and India was one of its many colonies. Yes, India was one of its many colonies. Means the Britishers have captured India, and means India was captured by the British, and it was one of the colonies of the British rule. Before Britishers captured India, India was divided into many empires and ruled by hundred of kings. Means it was divided into hundred of kingdoms, and India was ruled by hundred of kings also. So friends, when the Britishers captured India, captured India and ruled over India for hundreds of years, then India realized that what is the need of brotherhood, what is the need of living together, what is the need of being a single unit and fight the foreigners. So the people of the country, the people of India get united, and they make plan to be united and fight the foreigners like the Britishers. So when they became united, then we officially got the freedom on 15th August 1947. So friends, to commemorate this historic event, to celebrate our Independence Day on 15th August every year. Means to commemorate this historic event, we celebrate 15th August every year. Try to understand, to commemorate the historic event, we celebrate 15th August every year. Okay friends, so now many people give speeches, many people write essays, many people do research on this day, but what I will tell you, that will be the perfect thing. So friends, every year on Rajpath parade happens. Means parade takes place by the Air Force, Navy Force and Land Force. All the forces unite there and show the unity of the country and show the power of the country, and they do the parade there, and in the presence of the President of India and the Honorable Prime Minister of India, whoever it may be. Now friends, I will like to tell you that before 2 years it was happening, but due to Corona, the parade and all the programs were cancelled last year, and this year also I think that it will be cancelled. So what you should know about 15th August is the main points. What you should know, main points you should know, that 15th August is not a religious function. Okay, it is not a religious day that some particular caste only celebrates it. It is the function of the whole country. Means whole country should celebrate it with great enthusiasm, because on this day our freedom fighters got independence for India. Our freedom fighters fought from British rule, and they then they got the freedom, and now we are living with freedom in India. Means if they would not have been there, then we would not have living this life. We will if the British rule was continued till today 2021, then we shall also be the slaves of them. We can say the slaves of British rule. Then the next thing happens on means takes place on 15th August every year is functions in schools, functions in government colleges, functions in government offices, functions in government places, functions in every cities, and functions in different types of offices. Function means hosting of flag takes place. The main thing of this day is hosting of flag every year. Means every year between 7 to 10 o'clock flag is hosted in India. Every year on 15th August. Okay, so it is a remarkable day for Indians. Indians should celebrate it with great enthusiasm, I will say. Now Independence Day is coming. Only 1-2 days are left for it, so be enthusiastic and celebrate it. Then the next thing I will like to tell you that now I will tell you one very important thing, that how was India before the freedom and how it is now. So friends, you all will be thinking that how was India before the freedom. So before the freedom, India was not united at all. Yes, it is true. Before the freedom, India was not united at all. India was ruled by hundreds of kingdoms and different types of castes. Means the kings were made of different castes. They were not. There was a belief of social discrimination and racial discrimination, etc. Then, after the British rule, means after the freedom, what happened? After the freedom, India became a united country. Yes, means India united and all the works were done with unity. Today also you can say in many fields unity can be seen. Then changes the British rule brought in India. This is the very important function of the British rule. Means it is not that Britishers were bad. Means this something they brought good also in India. I will say they were bad because they captured India, ruled India for many years. This is very bad. They should not do like this. But they brought something to India. What? They brought the calendars. They brought the electricity. They brought the technology. They brought the guns. They brought the weapons. They brought the different types of technologies in India. Means what we were not knowing that time they brought it, and today we are knowing it. The English language is the gift of them, we can say. Then India during and after the British rule, we have discussed only. Let's us discuss one more time. So between the British rule, India was a slave. Yes, India was a slave of the British rule. Britishers made Indians slave, and they transport the Indians. They send the Indians that time to different British countries, Britain. They send the slaves to Kalapani. Kalapani is a type of punishment given to the Indians that time. Now it is not there. Then, Great Indian Freedom Fighters. This is the one of the most important topics you should know. Great Indian Freedom Fighters include Bhagat Singh, one of the leading names of Indian freedom fighters. Yes, Bhagat Singh. Then we can say Mahatma Gandhi and Jawaharlal Nehru and etc. are the great freedom fighters of India that have the hand to. Now friends, at last I would like to say you that you should also celebrate Independence Day with great enthusiasm and full of joy, because it does not comes every day. It comes only one day in 1 year, and it is very important day that is celebrated in India. So you all should celebrate in India. some of the things it brought, some of the things went from India. So you should not forget them. You should learn something from them always. The effort of our freedom fighters like Bhagat Singh and etc. I can't say the names. So many were there. So now I will show you something. You should salute it. Yes, you should salute it. Now you can see. You can see this. This is the Indian flag. You all should salute this Indian flag. If you are an Indian, see, if you are an Indian, then you should celebrate Independence Day and you should salute this flag. Okay. Now, I would like to say you last thing that if you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe this video. Share to thousands of people. Thank you.